Well, we are officially homeowners.
We are.
And we have borrowed a truck, and there's some tile in there that we're going to unload.
Yep.
Got the keys to the house.
Got some keys to the house.
So, ready for a tour?
Here we go.
Here we go.
Here we go. This is our home.
Are you going to carry me in? Oh my god. Okay.
I'm gonna throw you in the pool.
Silly. So this is the foyer. So when you walk in, we got the double doors. And there's the stairs. And we have some textured ceiling. At least it's not popcorn ceiling, but and then in here is the living room, which is going to be our media room. And in here is the powder bath. We're going to go in the living room, and this is just a closet. So we have this beautiful little doors with the pretty glass on them, and then over to the right you see the huge floor-to-ceiling window. Right there is where our TV is going to go. And right there we'll have a bar top, and there we will have a huge L-shaped sectional couch with an ottoman. There's another view of the beautiful huge window. We will be ripping up the carpet in the entire house and replacing the carpet downstairs with probably the luxury vinyl plank flooring. And yes, we'll be getting rid of those spotlights. There used to be a grand piano underneath that. And we might knock down this half wall if we can. We're not sure if it's a supporting wall or a supporting beam. And then this is going to be our office. So that wall there will be a custom-made desk by Shane, and then I'll have a little chair right there and a little table for my laptop. And then in the kitchen, this kitchen was done by Home Depot. The brand of the cabinets is American Woodmark. The countertops are quartz. The name of the cabinets is Townsend, which is a discontinued style, but it's very much like the reading door style. These are a full overlay. They are maple, and the color is stained cognac. The countertops are made by Silestone, and the name is Kona Beige. We're going to get more spotlights up there, and there's my huge window. I love the undermount sinks. There is a close-up of the countertop. Nice bar for parties. The sliding glass door, or the sliding glass window, all three of them slide over. We might move the microwave over to the same wall as the refrigerator and put in a really pretty range hood. We are getting rid of that light. That light's from IKEA. I do not like it. It looks like it needs to go over a billiards table. Soft closed drawers and doors. Pots and pans and pull-out drawers and trays. I love that feature. One of my favorite features of this kitchen is right here, the tiered cutlery tray. I like that because I can hide knives. There we go. And underneath that is the trash and recycling bin. I love a lazy Susan. That is one of my other favorite features of this kitchen. I love all these drawers. This kitchen is, I would say, twice the size of the kitchen I have now as far as cabinetry goes. I'm going to have a lot of empty cabinets, or I'll make some of these cabinets my craft cabinets. I'll turn those into my crafting storage. I do not like this pantry at all. I think it's too deep. I don't know if I might knock it down. This is our breakfast nook area. We'll be putting our dining room table and chairs here, and this is where we will be eating the majority of our meals. We are knocking this wall down. We know this one's not a supportive wall. And here is the utility closet where I will be putting my cleaning supplies and my vacuum cleaner and mop and broom and dog food and all that stuff. And then here's the laundry room. We're gonna switch the washer and dryer, like put the washer where the dryer is and the dryer where the washer is. I'm turning on the sensor light here. It's really neat because you can walk into the room hands-free, like if you have groceries, then you don't have to worry. I guess I'll fix that baseboard right there. And here is the laundry chute. I don't know why I'm so excited about having a laundry chute in my house. I'm worried that it's going to make a big mess. And I'll definitely be doing a lot of really neat stuff to make my laundry room look really cute. Here is our garage. They took all the cabinets that used to be in their kitchen and they put them in the garage. And this is the tile that's going to go in the fireplace room. I love that it has an air conditioner in it, because in Florida your garage can get over 100 degrees. It could probably be like 200 degrees, and I am not exaggerating. I bet you I could fry an egg in my garage right now. Well, okay, not now, but in July you can. So I decided that I'm going to paint the cedar, redo those tiles. I may or may not knock down those sides of the hearth. And getting rid of the triangular shelves. And I'm definitely painting over the yellow walls. In fact, the entire house is going to be repainted. We're also going to scrape the ceilings. There's my swimming pool. We will be replacing the deck, and maybe soon we will replace those tiles. But the tiles are okay for now. I mean, they're not the prettiest because they're, brown and gold, but it works. There's my party table. We've got palm trees, flowering bushes, flowering trees, an orange tree. We want to do something with the ceiling to try to push the soffit up or remove the soffit if we can. And I'm probably going to replace that vertical blind with something nicer. Let's go upstairs. I am definitely going to be taking the carpet off of the stairs. Those stairs are going to look so beautiful when I'm done with them. Alright, so we are walking into Erin's room. Oh, there's the laundry chute. Like I said earlier, I will be replacing all of the flooring and painting all of the walls. And I think I'll be doing something different with that ceiling fan. Here's a nice closet with a really nice shelving system. And next we are going into the hall bath. There used to be like a soffit up there with a fluorescent lighting, and it was hideous, but I guess they took it down. Look at that skylight. That's so nice. I like having the skylight there because then you don't have to turn on the light. I love the natural light. It's so nice to have natural light when you're getting ready in the morning. We are going to replace the flooring and we need to paint in there, although it doesn't look bad on the video, but in real life, the walls were not painted correctly and you can see, hello, you can see like the colors showing through. This is Emily's room. We're gonna put her bed under that window, and then on the left wall will be her desk. She's gonna have a nice little dance studio with a mirror in her room. We might have to raise up the floor in her closet because when Shane goes down the stairs, he hits his head on the ceiling. And her closet is over the stairs. Linen closet. And now we're in Jasmine's room. She originally said she wanted a green room, and now she's changed her mind. Look at that closet. That is so nice. I hope that she keeps it looking nice, although I doubt it. And the balcony with French doors. And we're gonna hang a hammock in there. Or hang a hammock out there. And here's the master bedroom. The paint is so bad in there. I don't know what they were thinking. There's like 2 different colors of paint in there, so we are forced to repaint the bedroom. We are going to do a complete gut and overhaul of the master bathroom and closet, and we are going to make this look so amazing. But check out that gorgeous skylight. I love that. So a fun fact about this home is that this was the model home for the neighborhood, and so it has all the extras in it. Hi! This closet is huge. Look at that vaulted ceiling in a closet. I've never seen anything like that before. That's where we will store all of the Christmas presents. So yeah, like I said, I have great plans for our bathroom. Oh my gosh, that lighting. This house was built in 1985, so it's very contemporary. Carpet everywhere. And that's it. We paid $261, and we feel that we got a fair price. Although I still wish we would have went a little bit lower. Here's the outside. It's got siding on it. And there's the pretty orange tree and the palm trees. Living that Florida life. Ugh, all that to clean up. That's an olive tree that is being overtaken by some type of a fungus. This is the tour of our fixer-upper, and I'm really excited to be doing some work on it, and I'm going to take you guys along with us as we fix this house up and make it our home and customize it for our needs and our wants. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.